Hey guys, okay, so I've done the wood stamps and this is what I'm keeping, and I've already gone through and sorted them all. They're either in these little Stampin' Up containers like this, or they're in these hard acrylic clear trays. And so I've sorted them all, and I got to thinking about something as I was doing this. No, I don't make a lot of cards, but I do use these for journaling and on different kinds of things, other than just card making. And I have to tell you, I thought this would be something really easy for me. This is hard. This is really, really hard. I've already started part of this with my clothes and stuff. I didn't struggle with it at all, but with my crafting supplies, this is tough, so bear with me. So the only one that isn't in a container that I did keep was this one, because I do mixed media stuff too, and I like using that as a background stamp. And I want to say something about this stamp right here. When I said I bought it because Amador bought one, I didn't mean that in a negative way. So Amador, if you're listening, I'm sure you understood what I was saying, but just want to let you all know he's an amazing crafter, and I bought it because I thought if he did a project, and he may have, because I've been off YouTube for a while, I wanted to try to duplicate it, and so I grabbed that stamp after he talked about it. But hopefully this will be it. I believe that this right here is what I'm giving away. I think I showed you all that already. I think there's 43 stamps in there. And like all these right here, I just put them in a little container, and I'll just toss all those in a box. Some of these I've had for many years, and when I first started out crafting, not crafting, but when I first started out with paper products, and there was... there's one in here somewhere that has a lady's name on it. Maybe it was that one. Oops, sorry. Where is it? I just wanted to say, but some of them have been used. That's what I'm saying. But they all stamped. Some of them are brand new, see? But I will try to clean them up even more if I can. There, see? The stamp's kind of dirty. I'll see if I can get it cleaned up, though. But this came from, I bought this off of an eBay lot years ago. Laurie Johnson. So, Laurie, if you're on YouTube and watching, there's one of your stamps from many moons ago. But it's still so cute. I just don't need... See, I mean, look how close that is. I just don't need all these heart stamps. I just don't. I even had two crown stamps. I don't need two crown stamps. They're both a little bit different, but I don't need them. So anyway, that's it. Just thought I would show you that I am through with the wood stamps. Talk to you later. Bye.